Hi, DJ Spark here. Welcome to our next lesson of Cross DJ Pro on your smartphone. One measure of a DJ skill is the ability to scratch. And although nothing feels as authentic as a real vinyl, we are still able to have a real turntable style fun even on a smartphone. Before we proceed, if you are new here, consider subscribing, like and share this video to your friends who may need such settings on their Cross DJ. First thing first, how to set hot cue point on Cross DJ Pro. You always have a particular track that no matter how many times you try to change the cue point, Cross DJ insists on going back to the initial cue point, which is located in the wrong place. That is to say, in between beats. Yes, this is what you have to do to solve that issue. Just go to settings and deactivate quantize. Next thing is to set up crossfader for scratching. What you have to do is to go to settings, then advanced settings, and go to crossfader mode and set it to cut mode. This means that crossfader no longer has a gradual curve for blending and now instead has a super sharp tipper, which is ideal for scratching and cutting sounds in and out quickly. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.